There's something missing in longevity, biohacking, and health optimization. Something fundamental that almost everyone overlooks. Can you guess what it is? Let's ask the question that changes everything. What actually drives optimization in the first place? Most people stop at biochemistry. But chemistry? That's already downstream. It's the end result of something deeper. See, here's how it really works. Everything begins with your body's frequencies. Those frequencies guide how your nervous system fires, how your neurons coordinate. And that is what sets off your chemical reactions, which finally shapes your biology, your sleep, recovery, focus, energy, and almost everything. So if we want to truly optimize, we can't just tweak the end of the chain. We need to start at the source. And that source is frequencies. Frequencies play a crucial, yet largely ignored role in your longevity and cellular health, your mental clarity and cognitive performance, how your organs and hormones communicate, how every system in your body works together. When your natural frequencies are coherent, your entire system runs smoother. You can feel it, you can track it. Sleep, HRV, recovery, focus. You start getting real shifts. Almost everyone misses this. Except ANF. For over 10 years, ANF has pioneered frequency medicine, working with practitioners in more than 500 clinics across 63 countries. Non-chemical, skin-warm, designed to complement your current stack. No hype, it just provides a measurable impact. Run your own, N equals 1 and see what moves. And now, we're bringing this breakthrough to the optimization community. BioCoherence is the missing foundation in human optimization. Join the mission and align with the body's natural bioelectrical pattern.